little ducklings swimming in the pond, splashing and playing, having so much fun. Mommy duck called, come back my dears, but one swam away and disappeared. Oh no, where did you go? Little duckling, I miss you so. Mommy duck quacked, come back my dear, but the little duckling didn't appear. Four little ducklings floating near the shore, laughing and diving just like before. Mommy duck called, come back my dears, but one swam away and disappeared. Oh no, where did you go? Little duckling, I miss you so. Mommy duck quacked, come back my dear, but the little duckling didn't appear. Three little ducklings playing in the sun, flapping their wings and having fun. Mommy duck called, come back my dears, but one swam away and disappeared. Oh no, where did you go? Little duckling, I miss you so. Mommy duck quacked, come back my dear, but the little duckling didn't appear. Few little ducklings spinning all around, chasing the ripples up and down. Mommy duck called, come back my dears, but one swam away and disappeared. Oh, one little duckling swimming all alone, mommy duck waiting by the stone. She called again, come back my dear, but the last little duckling disappeared. Mommy duck cried, her heart full of fear. No little ducklings, oh they're not here. She stepped out of the pond, feeling so blue, waddled around, where are you? She called again, loud and clear. Little ones, I love you, my dear. She searched the grass, she searched the trees, her voice echoed in the gentle breeze. Then suddenly, quack, 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 five little ducklings came running back, jumping, flapping, full of cheer. Mommy, we are here. Yay, you're home to stay. Mommy is happy, hip, hip, hooray. Five little ducklings safe and sound, jumping and playing all around. Five little ducklings swimming in the pond. This time they listen, they stay where they belong. Oh kids, let's sing a fun song. Apple is red, red, tasty and so sweet. Keeps us strong, makes us smart, oh what a treat. Banana is yellow, soft and so nice, gives us power full of energy twice. Orange is around, juicy and bright, keeps us healthy morning or night. Grapes in a bunch, purple and small, sweet and sour, we love them all. Watermelon big, juicy and cool, perfect for summer, nature's best tool. Pineapple's taste, also divine, on pizza or juice, it's always fine. Mango is golden, king of the fruits, soft and yummy, oh what a boost. Strawberries tiny, pretty and red, sweet and yummy, fun to be fed. Cherry is shiny, round and bright, pop it in, take a bite. Eat your fruits, grow up strong, sing with us, dance along. See you soon, kids, bye. Come on, kids, sing with me. Let's warm body parts happily. This is my head, oh so round. It moves the chicks, it spins around. On the top, my hair so fine, soft and shiny, just like mine. It keeps me warm when it's so cold, just like a hat, strong and bold. Here are my eyes, big and bright, they help me see both day and night. Nose in the middle, sniffs so well, flowers, food, and yummy smell. Blink, 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 they open wide, looking left and right with pride. These are my ears, they hear so clear, mommy's voice and song so dear. Here are my lips, red and small, they help me smile and speak to all. Whisper soft or shout out loud, they help me talk to any crowd. These are my arms, strong and wide, I hug my friends with love inside. Here are my hands, they clap and play, hold my toys all through the day. Wave hello and wave goodbye, reach up high into the sky. These are my legs, they help me run, kick the ball and have some fun. Here are my feet, left and right, they help me jump and dance so light. Step, step, they take me far, running fast like a racing car. All my body parts are neat, they help me move, they help me eat. Keep the